Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2024 GMC Terrain SLE featured in Summit White with a black interior. Under the hood sits a 1.5 liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, power liftgate, HD rear vision camera, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have powered windows and mirrors, liftgate controls down below, and some extra storage. Taking a look at the seats here, down to the bottom left is the power seating and power lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left here, we have our power park brake and lighting controls. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left we have our cruise control with forward collision alert, and on the right we have our cluster as well as audio controls. We can turn the vehicle on and take a quick look at the infotainment system. Starting off with our audio here. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We also have our navigation system here. Here's the map. And it's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse. Here's the backup camera. Below that we have our climate controls, and as well as some extra storage down below with 2 USBs and a 12-volt, 2 cup holders. Here we have our lane keep assist, hill descent control, and heated front seats for both driver and passenger, and the center console here. Popping this open, we have storage up top as well as down below with a light at the back as well. Up top is the rear view mirror. Just above that we have our OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, a place to hold your sunglasses, and the power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, black mirror caps and color matched door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. We have some SLE badging along the side here, making our way to the back. Of course, the GMC and Terrain badging. You can also see the all-wheel drive. To open her up, all we got to do is double click. It's going to pop open. We have a ton of storage space back here. We have some hidden storage down below here. We can also drop these rear seats down using these manual controls on the side to get a ton of extra storage space, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered window, cup holder down below. We have a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. In the middle here we have our rear vents. All the way down at the bottom, 2 USBs, and way down below here we have a 3-prong outlet. On the rear of the passenger seat we have a magazine holder. The top left, of course, we have handles paired with the dome light, matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of this power sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2024 GMC Terrain SLE. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.